Every single night while you're fast asleep, one of two things is happening to your muscles. They're either rebuilding or they're breaking down. And for millions of people over 60, it's the second one. Here's something most seniors don't realize. After age 60, we can lose up to 1 pound of lean muscle every year without doing anything wrong. But what if I told you the wrong snack before bed could double that loss? That's right. Within just 5 years, your legs could weaken by over 20%. Even if you feel healthy right now, this is happening silently, and it's almost always tied to what you eat before going to sleep. The scariest part, 99% of seniors don't even know they're making it worse every single night. But the good news is science has found something that works. Just changing one meal before bed can help reverse years of quiet muscle loss. And the number one food we'll show you today was even part of a NASA-backed study. It helped restore 56% of lost muscle mass in just 14 days. This isn't a supplement. It's not a workout plan. This is real food backed by real science that your body is begging for, especially after 60. In today's video, we'll show you the 4 worst foods that quietly sabotage your strength at night, and the 4 best foods that protect and rebuild muscle while you sleep. We'll count down from number 4 to number 1, and every recommendation is supported by clinical research and nutritional data. Quick favor, before we dive in, let us know in the comments where you're watching from and what your typical nighttime snack is. We read and respond to every single one. Number 4. Cereal. Sounds harmless, right? A little bowl of cereal before bed, easy, light, familiar. But the truth is, most cereals are packed with refined grains and added sugars, 2 of the worst things you can eat before sleep. They spike your blood sugar, then crash it. That crash disrupts deep sleep, the exact cycle your body needs to repair muscle tissue. Worse, most cereals marketed to seniors have 0 fiber, barely any protein, and no healthy fat. So you get a sugar rush with none of the recovery benefits. And if you're pairing cereal with skim milk, that's a problem too. Skim milk spikes insulin even more than sugar, according to a study in Diabetes Care. That harmless bowl of cereal is actually a nightly muscle-wasting trap. Number 3. Deli meats. Think turkey or ham slices are a decent protein snack before bed. Think again. Deli meats are processed meats loaded with sodium nitrates, preservatives, and chemical flavor enhancers that trigger inflammation and stress your kidneys. A 2020 study in Nutrients found that seniors who ate processed meats more than 4 times a week had 42% higher levels of C-reactive protein, a major marker of chronic inflammation. And inflammation blocks muscle repair, it slows healing, and promotes breakdown instead of rebuilding. To make it worse, deli meats are often made from low-quality cuts, stripped of nutrients, and filled with additives. Instead of helping you recover, they clog the system your body uses to rebuild overnight. Number 2. Ice cream. It's comforting, nostalgic, a sweet way to end the day. But ice cream is a triple threat: sugar, saturated fat, and dairy, all of which harm your recovery. First, the sugar causes a massive insulin spike. That shuts off fat burning and shifts your body into fat storage mode, not repair mode. Second, the fat takes hours to digest, delaying your body's ability to fall into deep sleep. And third, most older adults have some degree of lactose sensitivity, even if they don't notice it. A 2017 study in Advances in Nutrition found that seniors who consumed sugar and saturated fat at night had significantly lower muscle quality scores and experienced more nighttime cramps and stiffness. The cold temperature of ice cream even constricts blood vessels, reducing nutrient delivery to your muscles right when they need fuel. And let's not forget, ice cream has almost no protein, so you're giving your body calories with no building blocks for repair. Number 1. Protein bars. This one shocks most people. Protein bars seem smart. They even say muscle or recovery right on the front. But flip the label over and you'll find artificial sweeteners, sugar, alcohols, low-quality soy protein, and sometimes even heavy metals like lead and cadmium. In fact, a 2021 Consumer Reports analysis found that 7 out of 15 popular protein bars had less than 60% of the protein they claimed, and many were contaminated. Even the ones that do have protein often contain palm oil, which has been linked to increased inflammation in seniors. Instead of helping, they disrupt sleep, upset your digestion, and block recovery. Let's flip the script. These 4 foods are proven to fuel muscle, repair boost, sleep quality, and protect your strength. Number 4. Warm oats with chia seeds. Yes, oats at night. Rolled or steel-cut oats, not instant breakdown, slowly keeping your blood sugar stable while you sleep. That steady fuel is exactly what your muscles need to rebuild overnight. Now add chia seeds. They're tiny, but they pack fiber, omega-3s, and plant-based protein. They also help you feel full and calm the digestive system. A 2016 study in appetite found that seniors who ate complex carbs like oats before bed had 37% fewer nighttime awakenings, 28% higher sleep efficiency, significantly better morning recovery scores. Prep tip: cook half a cup of rolled oats in water or unsweetened almond milk. Stir in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Eat it warm 60-90 minutes before bed. Number 3. Edamame. These little green soybeans are one of the most complete plant proteins on Earth. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, including leucine, the key amino acid that triggers muscle protein synthesis, especially important after age 60. 1 cup of cooked edamame has about 3 g of leucine, the exact amount recommended for older adults to maintain muscle. It's also rich in magnesium folate and plant isoflavones that help reduce inflammation and improve sleep. A 2021 study in JCSM found that seniors who consumed leucine-rich proteins at night preserved 33% more muscle mass over 12 weeks and reported better energy and leg strength. Steam edamame for 5-6 minutes, toss with olive oil and a bit of garlic, and eat warm about an hour before bed. Number 2. Cooked lentils. Lentils are a superfood for seniors packed with plant protein, iron, slow carbs, and lysine, an amino acid that boosts calcium absorption and helps build joint tissue. They also stabilize blood sugar and support steady energy release through the night. A 2020 study found that older adults who ate lentils 3x week had 25% better muscle endurance, and that was without increasing exercise. Cook lentils in water or broth with turmeric or cumin. Avoid canned versions with salt. Eat a small serving about an hour before sleep. They're warm, filling, and deeply nourishing for your muscles. Number 1. Cottage cheese. This is the big one. Cottage cheese is rich in casein protein, which digests slowly over 6 to 8 hours, making it the perfect nighttime muscle fuel. A 2012 study in Medicine and Science in Sports and Exercise showed that older adults who consumed cottage cheese before bed had 22% higher overnight muscle repair. It's also high in leucine and calcium, which can reduce cramps and improve sleep quality. To get the benefits, eat half a cup of plain full-fat cottage cheese. Skip the sugar syrups or flavored versions. Add cinnamon, flaxseed, or a spoon of Greek yogurt if needed. Eat it 30 to 45 minutes before bed. It's the most proven food to preserve strength and protect independence quietly every night. Here's how to build the ultimate bedtime muscle repair meal in less than 15 minutes. Start with half a cup of warm oats. Stir in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Add a few spoonfuls of cooked lentils. Serve with a side of steamed edamame. Top it off with half a cup of plain cottage cheese. This combo gives you steady carbs, fiber-healthy fats, and a complete range of amino acids, including plenty of leucine and casein. Eat it 30 to 60 minutes before bed, and your body will thank you in the morning. Most seniors don't lose muscle because they stop exercising. They lose it because their body doesn't have the fuel it needs to repair itself, especially at night. You don't need a new workout. You don't need another supplement. You just need the right food at the right time. This isn't about dieting. It's about consistency. Make this a nightly habit, not a rule. Just give your muscles what they need. And in just a couple weeks, you might notice less fatigue, better sleep, easier movement, and most importantly, strength that's coming back. Because when your muscles are strong, your independence stays strong too. Let us know in the comments. What's your current nighttime snack? Think it's helping or hurting? We're reading and replying to every single one. And if this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe to Senior Switch, hit the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Stay smart, stay strong, and don't go to bed without protecting your muscles again. Thanks for watching.